In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional-looking brochure using Microsoft Word. We'll walk through the process step by step, from choosing a template to ensuring your print settings are correct, so that you can produce a polished brochure that represents your message beautifully. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you're in, navigate over to the File menu, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a menu, and from there, you'll select New. This is where we begin the exciting process of creating a new document. Now, you'll notice a search box in the New Document window. In this box, type either brochure or trifold brochure, depending on your specific needs. When you search for brochure, you'll be presented with a variety of templates that Microsoft Word provides, each with its own unique design elements. Take a moment to browse through the selection and choose a template that appeals to you. Once you've found the right fit, click on Create. This action will open up the template in a new document, ready for you to start customizing. Now comes the fun part, making this template your own. You'll see placeholder text and images throughout the template. Simply click on any text or image and replace it with your own content. This could be your organization's name, your logo, or even specific photos that are relevant to your brochure's purpose. With your content in place, let's focus on branding. Head over to the Design tab on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you can adjust fonts, colors, and the overall layout to match your brand's identity. If you have specific brand colors or fonts, be sure to apply those here to make your brochure cohesive and reflective of your brand. After you've customized the appearance and content to your satisfaction, the next important step is to save your work. Click on File again, but this time select Save As to choose where you'd like to store your document for easy access. Finally, considering this is a brochure, you'll likely want to print it out. Before you hit print, let's make sure your print settings align with the type of brochure you've created. You'll need to verify that your printer supports double-sided printing or is set up for manual flipping if it doesn't do this automatically. This will ensure that your brochure folds properly and looks polished on both sides. And there you have it, a professionally made brochure ready to present to your audience, all done with the help of Microsoft Word. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy creating custom brochures with ease. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crafting compelling content.